For the quadratic function y equals to f of x negative 3 is a factor and x equals to k is a positive 0. If y comma c is the maximum point on the graph of y equals to f of x, what is the value of k? The question says x negative 3 is a factor of the quadratic function y equals to f of x. Since x negative 3 is a factor, we can get a 0 for the given quadratic function by equating this factor to 0. Okay, let me do it. That is x negative 3 equals to 0. Let's solve for x in this equation. Add 3 to both sides of the equation. Negative 3, positive 3 will cancel out. We get x equals to 3. So 3 is one of the zeros of the given quadratic function. And also we have another 0 in the question, that is x equals to k. Let me write over here. Now we have two zeros of the given quadratic function. When I know the two zeros of the given quadratic function, I'll be able to get the vertex of the parabola, which is the graph of the quadratic function, by finding average of the two zeros. Okay, now let me find the average of these two zeros. For that, we have to add 3 and k and divide by 2. So this gives the x-coordinate of the vertex of the parabola of the given quadratic function. Okay, and we can consider the other information in the question. That is, y comma c is the maximum point on the graph of y equals to f of x. We know that parabola is the graph for a quadratic function. Since we have the maximum point on the graph of the given quadratic function, the parabola must open down. So it has to look like this. And here, this is a maximum point. So we have the maximum point over here. That is phi comma c. Clearly, this phi comma c represents the vertex of the parabola. The x-coordinate of the vertex over here is phi. But already we got the x-coordinate of the vertex, it's over here. So this 3 positive k over 2, this phi, both of them represent the same stuff. That is the x-coordinate of the vertex. We can equate them. That is equal to phi. Now let's solve for k in this equation. Let me multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Okay, let me do it. Then this 2 will cancel out. We get 3 positive k equals to 5 times 2 is 10. Let me subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. Positive 3, negative 3 will cancel out. I'm getting k on the left side. On the right side, 10, negative 3 is 7. Here I got the value of k, that is 7.